Hello my friend, how are you? Today I will introduce our MHRS series thermal weapon sight to you. As you see, this one is a new models and with the laser rangefinder function. You can see this part is the laser ranging. This one is objective lens, LPCs, the power on, power off, some menu buttons, and the interface to connect this cable with screen to support the real-time video output. Picatinny rail. Okay. When you want to adjust the image, make it very clear, you can adjust this part or this part to make image very clear. Okay, now I will show you the performance and how to use it. At first, before you power on the thermal weapon sight, please make sure the lens cover on the thermal weapon sight, and then just long press this power on, power off buttons. You can see the image with our screen, and then remove the covers. Let me find some target for you. You can see a goal. If your target not very clear, just adjust this part will make it image very clear. Okay, and press this button, left button. You see? There is a distance shows the center of the screen. That is laser rangefinder function open. Yeah, you can see the range is changing. Okay, and then if you want to change the different color mode, you can directly press this down button. Blank hot, red hot, color hot, sky, and white hot. Okay. In addition, please notice this part. It's very helpful to you hunter in the outdoor. If you want to learn more about the function, just press this menu button. You can see the system settings. This one, the ID, language, there are different language for your choice. Rangefinder, hot track, picture in picture, compass and portrait, contrast, brightness and mode. Just press this down button. You can see you can adjust the different contrast, brightness. Press this menu button to next one, and image model also can control in this. Okay, the sharpness, blind pixel composition, default setting, time. Okay. Please notice, do not use our thermal weapon sight in the towards the strong light such as the sun, but you can use it in other different environment such as the total darkness and other harsh environment. Any question, just contact me. Thank you.